Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era. I hope you're having a lovely day, and today we're going to talk about crypto and the week ahead. Narratives of the week. BTC and ETH at the bottom of their range. It's red week for altcoins. As you can see, it's a red week. So on the 7-day, it's down 5%. Ethereum is down 6%. BNB is down 2%. Solana is down 8%. We're currently in a player versus player market. So that basically means we're moving sideways. So we're not going through a massive uptrend or a downtrend at the moment. It's just moving sideways. Currently, we are in a post-ETF hangover phase, and GBTC is selling a lot of BTC. I don't know if you can see this clearly. It's a bit blurry, but this is the daily flows. You have day 1, day 2, day 5, and day 6. So as you can see, the most selling pressure, if you look to the very bottom, is Grayscale, GBTC. Now today they have sold 590 million BTC. So it's a massive sell pressure, and they've been selling literally every single day. The biggest purchaser, the biggest inflows are Fidelity and iShare. I believe once the sell pressure slows down, we're going to see BTC go back up. But for the meantime, there's a lot of sell pressure from BTC, from Grayscale. I believe that Grayscale is going to continue selling for a while. Maybe 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. We don't know. But the sell pressure is continuing. I think that's going to taper off for a little while, and the inflows are going to be much more, and it's going to counterbalance the Grayscale selling, and then we should have a uptick in the markets. NFTs are making a resurgence. Strong week for the NFT market led by pudgy penguins. Floor price almost 2x to 20 ETH. Also, Blur went up 7%, and it also benefited. As you can see, this is the daily NFT trade volume. So it's making a slightly higher high now. So NFTs are coming back. You can look at the diagram. If you can see the diagram, we're making higher highs. So volume is coming back. NFTs are slowly coming back into the space. I believe NFTs are going to be different now. It's going to be a reiteration of the concept that we saw in 2021. This time it's going to be much more complex, and we're not going to see certain NFTs that was shilled or sold during the 2021 bubble. Solana meme coins return. You have WIF and Maro. The meme coin dog with hat WIF is currently at 20 cents. Market cap is 270 million. The 24-hour volume is 73 million. So currently meme coins on Solana are making a resurgence. Another dog coin on Solana is currently at 20 cents. Market cap is 193 million. Total volume is 41 million. The 24-hour is 41 million. It's had a massive pump. It's had a pump of 2,064%. That's 20x in literally how many days? In less than 2 weeks. Few Oracle coins are having a cartel-like brutal pump. So you have UMA and you have RL. This is literally in the past 7 days. So it was last week on the 18th of January. It was at $2 and it's currently today at $5.28. It's gone up literally in the past 7 days, 162%. Market cap is at 400 million. It's currently ranked 125. 24-hour volume is $224 million. API 3 is currently at $2.33. The last 7 days, it's gone up 37%. API 3 are aggregated from first-party oracles directly on the native chain. This means that you always know where your data comes from and never have to rely on cross-chain bridges as a centralized point of failure. In the past 2 years, bridges have been exploited for over $2.5 billion. And finally, RLC. RLC is another oracle. Market cap is 150 million. It's ranked currently 268. In the last 7 days, it's gone up by 34%. ETH Beta plays are underperforming at the moment, besides Pedal. The last 7 days, it's gone up by 37%. It's currently at $2. It's ranked 109 on coin market cap, and the total market cap is 483 million. New coins launched is Manta and Ando, and they're doing well at the moment, so let's check them out. Manta is currently at $2.44, currently at 129 on coin market cap. It's doing pretty decent at the moment. Last 7 days, it's gone up by 82%. Market cap is at 400%. Institutional grade finance, now on chain. Ando is building the next generation of financial infrastructure to improve market efficiency, transparency, and accessibility. USDY is a tokenized note secured by short-term US treasuries and bank demand deposits. USDY is accessible to non-US individuals and institutions and is transferable on-chain 40 to 50 days after purchase. So this is a real-world asset play in crypto. Dogecoin pumps in anticipation of the X payments launch. Dogecoin on Friday and Saturday pumped in anticipation of the X payments. So did a big pump from here to here of 21%. It's just been literally consolidating from here, starting from May of 2022 till now. It's been a long, very, very long, deep consolidation. Crypto Watchlist render. Apple Vision Pro is launching in February 12th. Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset developed by Apple, announced on June the 5th, 2023 at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. Pre-orders began on January the 19th with deliveries scheduled to begin on February the 2nd, 2024 in the United States. So there's a launch happening in February the 2nd. Render normally correlates with Apple. So put in a trade on render. 2nd of February is almost 2 weeks from now. You might be surprised. You might see a massive pump. They are correlated a little bit because render deals with AI, deals with GPUs. So the last time a launch happened, an announcement happened, render also skyrocketed. Alt layer tokens go live next week, and an airdrop is confirmed for tier stakers and Egon layer users. I did mention this previously. Injective, the last ever Injective token has been unlocked. So that means there's going to be no more inflation, period. It's done. There's no more unlocking of Injectives. Last but not least, Drift protocol. There isn't a coin out for this protocol, but they're hinting an airdrop. I will make another video in how to get airdrops. Some of these airdrops are worth a lot of money. They're worth tens of thousands if you go to the right protocol. Drift is a trading platform, is a DEX where you can buy, sell long, short coins. You simply connect your Phantom wallet or your MetaMask and start trading. But they've already hinted points basically mean that you might be entitled to an airdrop. That's a quick summary of the week ahead, what's going to happen this week and things to watch in crypto for this week. If you want to know more alpha, gain an edge in the market, go to my pricing plan, join my private members club. For now, we're going to look into price actions. BTC is currently at $40,643. It's down 2.38%. Ethereum is at $2,371 and it's down 4.9%. USDC is still at $1. BNB is at $310 and it's down 2.5%. We've got a big red day today and it's just a bleed. BTC is bleeding, ETH is also bleeding, and the alts are bleeding. Solana is at $86.78. It's down 5.99%, almost 6%. XRP is at 52% and it's down 3.96%. Cardano is at 49 cents and it's down 4.39%. Dogecoin is at 8 cents and it's down 3.24%. Tron is at 10 cents and it's down 0.69%. Polkadot is at $6.53 and it's down 5.65%. Finally, Chainlink is at $14.94. It's down 3.56%. Chainlink has been consolidating for a very long time. This is the top 5 crypto projects at the moment by 24-hour volume. So number 1 is CryptoPunks, number 2 is Crypto Undeads, number 3 is Tenosaurians, number 4 is Doco, and number 5 is Forgonas. BTC price action currently at 40,714. We broke this trend line and now we're going to head lower, maybe to 37. It might be a fake out, so we're going to have to see. This is mainly because of Grayscale. Grayscale is doing massive sales at the moment. We need Fidelity and iShares to pick up more. BTC at the moment we're just heading lower. Alts are also bleeding due to this, so we've dumped from here to here 17%, a whopping 17% since the ETF announcement. So it looks like it's buy the rumor, sell the news, unfortunately. For the bullish case, what we need to see is go back into this trend line, hit this trend line, form it as support, and then finally go to my next target of 48,000. Ethereum price targets currently at $2,374. We haven't managed to hold this support at $2,504. We've broken this support. Now we're heading to the next support line, which is $2,373. What we need to do is hold this line for it to continue to be bullish. If it doesn't hold, we're going to end up back in this consolidation range previously, which we spent a very long time, which was almost from 7th of December all the way to the 7th of January. So almost a month we consolidated in this range. So we're going to head back down, consolidate once again. This has the most confluence. What I want to see is something like this. Ethereum BTC chart. Remember I spoke about this earlier. It's hit this trend line multiple times. Unfortunately, it hasn't broken out. So we're heading lower. The next support is at the 0.05 mark. It didn't test it. It didn't break out this time. But hopefully the next time can break this curse and break this trend line. Solana price action currently at $86.32. It's down 5.24%. Well, unfortunately, we didn't hold any of the trend lines. So now the next target is at $75. That's our next target. That's our next range. Head back down to $75. Arbitrum currently at $1.68. Unfortunately, it didn't hold this trend line. Now we're heading back to the scene of the crime. A lot of folks are doing a full circle on their trade. Don't be saddened by the fact that some of your ROI, some of your returns are going back to full circle. It doesn't matter. Just buy more when it goes down. Keep DCAing and get a better average price. ADA price targets currently at 48 cents. Now, we didn't hold any of the trend lines. We formed it as resistance. So we went back up, formed it as a resistance at 54 cents. Unfortunately, we couldn't hold and beat the resistance. Now, what we're doing is we're going back to the 47 cents mark. Unfortunately, this right here is all air. This right here is all air. So if we don't hold this support line, we're just going to go straight down to 40 cents. That has the most confluence at 40 cents. Oh, by the way, if you want me to do some TA on any of your coins that you have, or some research on any of your coins you have, just comment below and I'll help you out. Mint layer, road to 1000x, currently at 60 cents. Previously hit my trend line. Now it's going down this parallel channel. What I want to see is get to this mark of 53 cents. That's what I want to see. The mainnet launch is on the 29th. So literally 7 more days to the mainnet launch. Sometimes what happens is maybe 1 week or 2 weeks before the mainnet launch, people decide to sell. Normally a mainnet launch, a big massive mainnet launch, is a buy the rumor, sell the news event. It happens time and time again. That's rule 101 in crypto. Whenever you find a mainnet, what happens is it's a sell the news event. So we've done a massive pump for the past almost, from here, you could say we started on the 15th of November. So the 15th of November all the way till the 10th of January. That's almost a 2 month and a half pump. We're making a massive correction. I believe we're going to make a 47% correction at 53 cents. I did say to the members, I did say to everyone, put in an order, put in a limit, a buy limit at 53 cents. We might continue and go lower, because the market cap is so small. I won't be surprised if we see a massive correction of maybe 60%. I won't be surprised at all. So as long as BTC is still bleeding, alts are going to continue to bleed. If you want to see 10,000% gains, 5,000% gains, if you want to see these numbers, volatility is the thing that we have to be comfortable with. And I would like to end with one quote. The life of a good investor is marked by continuous self-doubt, because the quest for truth is never all revealing. So you learn to find comfort in uncomfortable environments. Volatility is the price we pay for 1000x. Thank you very much for tuning in. Appreciate all the views, all the comments, all the like. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. So wherever you are, that's goodbye from me. Peace.